Today we're making this organizer. I just purchased an adapter set so I can change between different size propane tanks. In this video, I'm going to create organization so that way these adapters can have a place where I can access them easily and when I need them. This is the adapter set that I'm going to be making the organizer for. These are the 3 parts that come in the adapter set, and this is just a propane extension for a hose adapter for a heater that I have. So there is 3 pieces, and I'm gonna make a holder just to hold all 4 pieces. So essentially the first step is to take your measurements. You want to make sure you're taking your time in measuring every aspect of the item that you're making the storage for. Then you write them down with the sketch as you go. I went ahead and measured each individual piece, and this is the layout that I settled on right here. So this is basically how I'm going to lay out all the parts. I'm also going to have a design where this adapter piece is not included, and this will make it, feasible for those people who end up picking up this set off of Amazon. If you're interested in picking up this adapter set, the link will be in the description below. I'm using Blender as my CAD software, and CAD simply means computer aided design. Right now I'm just speeding through the modeling process, but I will have courses to go step by step on how to do 3D modeling. Okay, essentially this is the completed design. One that holds the main 3 adapters, and then one that holds that 4th hose adapter. These are the lids here, and basically I work in a metric system for all my builds. You can use standard system, which is an American in inches, but I use millimeters and centimeters for pretty much all of my. One thing I like to do in Blender is make sure I keep all files active until I decide everything fits properly, and then that's when I go ahead and decide to merge the files together and get them ready for the 3D printer. So basically in your workflow, you never want to make things permanent. You always want to keep it fluid and test fit everything to make sure everything fits, and then you finalize everything. Alright, so let's go ahead and get these bad boys printed. What I love about this setup is I can go ahead, pick my adapter, put it into each slot, and now it's stowed away nicely, neatly organized, and I'll know where to find it, and I don't have to search around for it to be right there. I just pull this out and stick it right where each piece goes. Very neat and convenient. Hey guys, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. I really enjoyed making this organizer. I'm in the process of organizing my shop. Things like this will really help me become more efficient and be able to find stuff right away when I need to get to it. So I'll be offering an engineering course that will basically go through step by step on how to make things like this. This video is more of an abbreviated version just to show the process from start to finish, from measuring down to your sketches. Go ahead and use your CAD software and digitizing your models, printing them out, and then doing the test fits. So if you decide to pick up these adapters, I will have this file along with a lid to go on top available on my website at cloeducationtv.com. I like doing projects like this because it allows me to practice and sharpen my engineering skills, and it also helps me become more efficient in organizing my workspace. Guys, thank you for tuning in. Be sure to be on the lookout for the next organizational video coming up right after this one. With faith the size of a mustard seed, you can move mountains. Take care.